Say hi.
Got some good sourdough bread.
Ginger and lemon. Amazing.
No, we're just like first.
Oh my god, that's what I'm done with our little beach day. Hi, hello, good morning, and welcome to the vlog. My name is Derica. It's like Erica with a D in front of it and an apostrophe if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back. This vlog is a weekend in our lives vlog. It is Friday, 7:25, I think. 7:22, sorry, can't read backwards. Jared just made himself a little espresso. We got a new espresso machine and it's stunning. She's beautiful. So that is his new little toy. Oh yeah, my parents got it for us. And then my parents also got us these my headphones. Well, ours, because we're gonna share this too. Because sharing is caring. And they also got these new glasses from Warby. I'm obsessed with them. Anyways, it is Friday, so we both have our small groups. The girls meet at our house, and Jared, the boys meet in
at Black Crow Coffee.
So we're gonna start our weekend off like that, which is exciting. And we got some stuff planned. It's gonna be fun, so stick around. Yeah, and say hi. Okay, I was like, where's Hannah? I thought you were over here. Okay guys, so we just finished our group. It was so great. I'm so thankful for community and just being able to just read the Bible with some girlies and talk about it, just encourage each other. It was just a great way to start this vlog and our weekend. And then another amazing thing that just happened is our friends are actually living next door, which is so awesome. And she just brought me over some bread. She made us some sourdough bread. I'm literally so happy I could cry. I love, like this, that's my love language. And they're right next door. She's literally made us muffins, cookies, like the best freaking neighbor ever. Wow, one-handed. Mr. Chef over here.
That's pretty impressive, huh?
I know.
Oh.
Oh, that's awkward.
Did that go in? No, it didn't.
Nice. No shells, okay, all right. Oh, hot. All right, let's take a bite.
Mmm. Got some good sourdough bread.
All right, breakfast is served. I like mine a little bit more toasty. It looks so good.
Mmm. So yummy.
Hello guys. Okay, so I am finally going to the gym. It literally took me too long, but it's fine. Okay, things I do in the morning that I didn't get to do like right when I woke up, but I try to do it right when I wake up and drink some water. It's kind of like habit stacking. So I take my vitamins. Super important to take your vitamins. I use Ritual. You can use whatever you want to. I just like it because it's like just 2 pills and it has like a lot of stuff like fish oil, magnesium, and like all this stuff, which I'm a nurse and I feel like I should have known better to start taking vitamins earlier, but I didn't, so better late than never, right? So I started taking this and I feel like it doesn't taste bad. I feel like with fish oil, you know, you have like that weird fishy taste. I feel like it's always awkward watching someone take pills. They're really not hard, it's just literally me. But okay, so I do that in the morning, drink some water. I also had some matcha this morning, but but I am gonna have some pre-workout. We actually changed it. We put in this because doesn't it look like cute, more aesthetic? I don't know, I liked it. And we got this literally from like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. But I use powders for my pre-workout, and I just really love their pre-workout. It's really good ingredients. This is the pink lemonade one, and it's only sweetened with like monk fruit and something else, I think, but it's like really like natural and good. So if you're looking for a clean, good pre-workout, definitely check it out. All right, let's go. I love going to the gym, but trying to find parking at this gym is probably one of the hardest things. Everyone is always here. So I don't take my pre-workout until I actually park, because I don't know if it's gonna take me 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to find parking. Excited to do this little workout. And we're gonna get some groceries after. Left the gym and went to go get groceries, and this is what I walk out to. It's like pouring rain, and I got soaked, and literally over there it's like blue skies. So that's Florida for you. We got lots of groceries. These are so good, and only 3 ingredients. I also got the lime ones. All right, we're gonna do speed round. Olipop, of course. Got strawberries. We got raspberries, we got blueberries, we got some packs of tuna, we got oat milk, which if you haven't tried this, definitely try it. Literally has 3 ingredients, it's great. We got whole milk, we got yogurt, great protein, some apples, we got some hummus, butter, pepper jack cheese, carrots, now Trader Joe's. Coconut water, the best. It's jalapenos, salmon for dinner, prosciutto, chomps, great protein, Parmesan cheese, some lemons, egg whites. I kind of want to try to put it in my smoothies for extra protein. Broccoli and cauliflower, some bananas, eggs. These are so good. They're from Trader Joe's. It's apple cider vinegar. This one is lemon strawberry, and this one is ginger and lemon. Amazing. I literally get at least two of these a week. Last but not least, some avocados. We should not be eating out this week. Look at that. I'm an AirPod Max girly now. And I made myself a smoothie. Now I'm going to arrange these flowers that I bought. I've just been editing this vlog. It's our New York City vlog. Will be up hopefully Sunday, which is like a week from, so it's already up by the time you were watching this vlog. And Jared made us dinner. Yeah, Jared. Look how it looks. Look how good it looks.
And look how good it looks. Look how good it looks.
Oh, I love it. Let's eat. Hello. All right, we're getting ready. What are we getting ready for?
Joey's.
It's 80s themed. This is our before. So what are we doing?
You know what I need. Wait, are we going this way?
Or
are we going? You know what I need. Da, da, da.
Yes. Okay.
There you go. Hand on shoulder?
No,
no,
we're just like first.
Slap, bang, boom.
Okay, so
boom, boom, boom.
You do need to shift because I am out of frame.
Yeah, we will shift.
Okay, watch it.
right, guys, it's our fit. Okay, this is so cute. Oh, I love this mine.
Workouts.
Beautiful, ladies, beautiful. Yes.
So we're tilting though, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, right, already. Yeah. 2, 1.
We might have waited. Oh my god, that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. I know we were too late.
Okay. Alright, we got this.
2, ready?
Oh wait. 2.
Ben, go.
That was the worst one. That was the worst one.
Happy birthday! Alright, here we go.
Alright,
Hi, hello, good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. I hope you're having a great day. I am on my way to Rush cycling place I go to. I'm so excited. Yesterday after the party, we literally got back at like 11:30 or 12, and I was so hungry, so we had a little midnight snack. Yeah, it was overall really fun. Get to see everyone. And now it is just another day, and I'm hoping we go to the beach today. So just finished my cycling class. So good. I haven't cycled in like over a week, and I felt it. I was like dying. I'm gonna go home, shower, and then we're gonna go grab a brunch with some friends. So. It's a few hours later, and we ate some food. Jared napped, and now we are on our way to the beach. So excited for that. And we're just gonna kind of chill there for a little bit. It's so bright.
So hard.
Orange vanilla latte. What is? Oh, ice.
Yeah,
Done with our little beach day. So much fun. We snorkeled, saw a lot of fishies. It was just a really good day.
it really was.
We are showered and we ate dinner and cleaned up the house to get ready for tomorrow. We have a busy day tomorrow, so Jared is over there watching, eating his Oreos. If Jared could choose, his diet would be Oreos and McDonald's. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Hi, hello, good morning. Happy Sunday. We are at church now. Hope you guys have a good Sunday. Alright guys, we just left church and now I'm about to go do a little photo shoot for from Beverly. It's a bakery. Definitely check them out. Their cakes are literally amazing. So we're gonna do a little photo shoot with them, and I'm just gonna go eat some cake, and I'm excited about that. Jared's gonna go home and
do errands like a good boy.
yes.
Are you the light? Yeah, right. So now we are gonna go to the gym, and we're gonna have a few friends over later tonight. I just put my contacts on, so I'm like, but anyways, I'm just like so tired. I feel like I was just like go today, so I'm just feeling it, but it's okay. The photo shoot was so much fun. Literally just had a blast. The cakes were amazing. They're from Beverly, so you're gonna have to check them out, order all your cakes from there. And the taste was amazing, just everything. And I'm so excited to see how all the pictures turn out. And yeah, it was just so much fun. I love doing stuff like that. Well, I didn't vlog at all, but we had a good little dinner with our friends. And now it's time to go to sleep. We cleaned up the house and I work tomorrow. But anyways, this is kind of the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a good night, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.